Hi, welcome to my house. It's really cold, come on in. This is our front yard. There's a lot of snow out. Sometimes it's difficult to shovel all of it, but it's amazing in the spring and in the summer. They worked really hard to redo this house, so it's very beautiful. I'm so proud of it too. So this is our hallway where I take off my coat and then I make sure to take off my shoes and change into my house slippers. So next, here is our beautiful zal. We have lots of family dinners here. During Nordari, we set the table very nicely, put lots of candles, and in the evenings, usually we watch some TV together as a family. We also have this amazing cabinet that my host parents worked really hard to get, and it has all of our glassware that we don't normally use. It's for a special occasion, so when there's a big Armenian party, we bring it out and all have a great time. Next is our kitchen, where normally we have lunch or breakfast or coffee. And here we can meet my tatik Barim. What's it? So this is our kitchen, and what's interesting is that we also have our laundry machine here too. Here is where my host mom will make us a lot of delicious family meals. This is the bathroom. Here everything is very typical. We have hot water every day, unless they cut the water off sometimes, but what can you do? That's village life. And now I'll take you guys up the stairs. It's so beautiful, right? And then up here, you'll see my room. So welcome to my room. This is my safe place. There's tons of natural light, which I love. So I feel very comfortable with my space. I've really made it my own. I try to make it my own. Thanks for coming to my house. I hope you loved it. You're welcome back anytime, and I'll make us some coffee.